ho. Yep, it's getting close to that time of year again. My favorite time of the year. Why is it my favorite time of the year? Take a guess. This video is part of a collab with Indiana Jones. I'm going to take this piece of ash juniper and another piece of contrasting wood for the hat, and I'm going to basically just turn a snowman. I'm not going to decorate it like I usually do. If you want to see how I decorate or turn and decorate a snowman, I'll put a link right up there, and you can go check it out. I'm going to send this to her after I get it turned. I'm not going to assemble it. I will probably glue the hat on, but I'll leave the arms out so they don't get broken, and she can glue those in herself. But I'll turn it, put the hat on it, and send all the pieces to her to finish the assembly and to decorate it how she sees fit. And hopefully she will do that live right after this video ends. So stay tuned. Let's get this thing to the lathe and make a snowman. There's the boogie. Face shield on, spindle roughing gouge. Right now I'm just trying to get it round-ish. Lost a big chunk. I did not want that branch to come out. Okay, this piece of wood isn't going to work. Let me go find another victim, subject. This is a piece of live oak. It'll work much better anyway. I like this. I think I'm going to leave some of that bark on it. Okay, it's got me a tenon on there. Take it out from between centers. I do like this. Right now I'm just hogging wood away to get down to the final dimension pretty much. Okay, I don't need the tail center anymore. It's a rough shape. I'm liking it. Yes, I know. I'm scraping. I was going to have to do that anyway. Okay, I'm going to coat this with 3 or 4 coats of 1 pound cut of shellac. The shellac will protect the wood. That way, if she chooses not to top coat it after she decorates it and paints it, however, it'll still be just fine. Okay, I'll let this dry a few minutes and I'll put another coat on, and I'll do this until I'm satisfied that it's saturated about all it's going to be. And when I get that done, I'll come back and work on the hat. There was one more thing I needed to do. I got the arms. I'm not going to glue them in, but I've got them roughly to shape. And what I did was I made the determination of what was going to be the front, just because she could have used these features for the face, but they're kind of inconsistent and I didn't like it. So this gives her a smooth surface to work with. So she can put these in either place that she wants, but I'm going to drill the holes so that they go in about like this. This oak is hard stuff. Now hit this with some extra fine Scotch-Brite real quick. Just to denib the shellac. And we'll cut it off. Now I've seen people run the lathe with a hacksaw or another kind of saw to finish this cut. I don't have, that's, as far as I'm concerned, that is a very unsafe practice, and I don't want to take any unnecessary chances. That's a little domed, so to make sure it's nice and flat, I'm going to use this because this is relatively rigid, and it may actually concave it just a little. I'm going to flatten this bottom off right now, and then I will brand it, and when I get done with this, then I'm going to turn my attention to the hat. This is a piece of Chinese tallow. It's relatively soft and really light, but it's got pretty grain. First thing I'm going to do is flatten each end off. And now I'm going to cut a tenon. Okay, that's the brim of my hat established. Okay, I've already got the brim established. Let me see how it's going to look against his head. That's fine. Okay, I did this to establish the top of my hat. Now what I want to do is back this off and make this concave to fit his head. It's perfect, almost. Okay, time to cut it off. And then I'll sand the top up. Okay, we've got my logo burned in the bottom. We've got the nose glued in. Let's get the hat on it. Okay, nose is in. Hat is on. Looking good. Time to decorate. But I'm not going to do the decoration. And here it is. Fixing to be boxed up and put in the mail. I think it's so cool. So, Annie, the ball's in your court. I expect to see something astounding. But I know you won't let me down. You never have. So y'all go check it out. See what Annie does with it. Right there. There's a link. Y'all have a very nice day. Have a very Merry Christmas. And remember, live, laugh, and love. Y'all come back.